Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulafka. My name is Muhammad Saifuddin.
My name is Shaki Soimi.
My name is Muhammad Amir.
We are from Group G and we are going to present our project. Alright, so our project is about the accidental death related to prescription drugs where, okay, I show you. This is our data, whereas we are specifying our analysis by identifying the age, the location, and the date of the death caused by prescription drugs, where you can see this is the data. Okay, so basically we are doing an analysis from the operational data into the data warehouse, whereby we are using the process of ETL to extract, transform, and loading the data into the system. Okay. Okay, our business process will be explained by my friend Sharifuddin, and after that there will be an explanation about the dimension and the facts by my friend Amirusha, and then after that there will be a explanation and explanation about the dimensional model, the data warehouse table and data by our friend Shakif Suhaimi. Right.
Okay, so now I'll be explaining about the details of the description of the data and the business process. So let us see the access table. Okay, this is our data warehouse bus matrix. It contains our business process, which is the death analysis, and the fact table, which is the fact death analysis. This business process is to analyze the number of accidental death by prescription drug in UK, and the facts that we have extracted from the data source is the date of the death, the age of the victims, and the location of their death. And the facts will be, you know, uh, tabulated by death per year, group of age, and death by location.
Okay, for my part, I will explain about the dimension and facts, where our fact table is this. Okay, we create fact dates analysis table so that we can connect all the dimension which we will do later. Okay, as we can see, we have done already, and then for the dimension, we do 3 dimension, which are dim date, dim age, and dim location. This is the dim date. This is the dim age, and this is the dim location. Our purpose is to get all the fact so that we can know the depth analysis from the dimension. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. So I'm Shakif. So I will be explaining about the dimensional model, the data warehouse table, and also the data. And from here, let us see firstly the dimensional model, where we can see here there's a fact and also the dimensions. So under this fact depth analysis, you can see all of the columns. And here in dimension date, we can see there's date key, date, year, month, and day, and dimension location. We can see the location key and all those stuff, and also the dimension age. And for the data warehouse, here we have created dimension age, date, location, and also the fact analysis. And from here we can select 1,000 rows, and there is already value inside this dimension table. And this same goes for dimension date. Yes, we can see it is populated by year, month, and day, and also the date. And for location, you can see the location where they died due to the prescription of drugs. But sadly, so I think that's all for our project, and thank you for evaluating us, madam. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Madam Carrie, madam.